ABC stands for Agape Belize Cure. It's a medical mission organization where we take a team of healthcare professionals such as doctors, nurses, pharmacists, students to this Central American country called Belize. We noticed that there's a significant shortage of healthcare in especially southern Belize. Even in that very first trip, there was actually a lot of patients who were already interested and decided to visit our makeshift clinics. We did not expect the number of people that came to us. Even our first trip, we would have to turn away patients because between the three doctors, we were seeing about 200 people a day.
At CVA, or Cambridge Virtual Academy, we are so excited to be part of ABC. The main reason, our students want to make this world a better place.
When I went on the trip, it was 4 days of clinic and then 2 days of the sustainability mission. So our 4 days of clinic, we went to 4 different towns and set up medical clinics there.
The clinics are very busy. There are stations. I worked at the vital station, I worked at the gift station, and I worked at the medical education station.
The doctors decided to train us students who were there. Students are in charge of taking the vital sign. We help out our pharmacists, so we actually learn how to dispense medication, and we learn doctor shorthand. We shadow doctors, we take notes, we learn, we ask questions. And then those last 2 days we focus on marine biology and sustainability. So learning about the coral reefs, learning about the seaweed farming, and engaging in that part of the community.
When I hear about what ABC is doing, the work they're doing not only with the medical clinic, but also with the environmental sustainability, algae farm, and other projects that they're involved with. This is a passion that I personally have, and I believe that the more we educate people, the more we help people, it just comes back 1,000-fold.
The people there are wonderful, and they have gotten to know us. For example, these green shirts, they recognize the green shirts and they know why we're there.
And it's just really amazing being in a place that's different but also just so friendly.
I believe that this is a perfect club and organization for our CVA students to become involved with. I already have 2 very excited students who are on our leadership club, our ASB, who would like to embed ABC into this program, and they're already thinking about how they can fundraise and what other research can they do to support not only ABC, but also the Belize folks, all of the population. They're very interested in making this a better world. And maybe someday we will have a clean world, portable water for everyone, clean air for everyone, enough fresh, healthy food for all. That's a dream, that's a goal. And I know it sounds a little out there, but that's what I would truly like to work for. And I believe ABC has the heart, has the know-how, and to give our CVA students an opportunity to work alongside is a gift for us.
ABC is more than just a medical mission. Because of ABC, I've gained a lot more confidence in myself. You won't get an experience like ABC anywhere else.
ABC just fundamentally changed my entire career path. Because of the medical mission, I'm now hoping to become a primary care doctor in the future. So the Belize medical missions have really changed my life.